Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's video is our Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing for the month of May. I just did my very first unboxing yesterday, which was my BoxyCharm. So if you guys are subscribed to BoxyCharm and you haven't seen that video, look down below. I'll have it linked or I have it somewhere up here. But today's video is our unboxing. We're going to be doing 2 bags. So if you guys want to see what's in my bag, then just keep watching. So we're going to start off with our very first bag. And I'm going to tell you right now, this bag feels really freaking light. And it was so funny because I went to go get my nails done today. And the girl that, well, there was a lady there. She wasn't doing my nails, but she walked right by me and she just got her Ipsy bag too. So that makes me wonder if you guys are getting your bags early this month. Here is the theme of this bag for this month. I don't know how I feel about it. So the very first product that I see here is by the brand Nomad, which we've gotten stuff from them before. And this is La Habana Cohiba. It's an intense eyeshadow. Okay, all right. Oh, that's pretty though. Oh, that's pretty. Look. All right. Next shadow, or well, not shadow, but next product we have is called Answer From. And this here is a Black Volume Gold Radiance Cream. I have my little one down below, so I apologize if you guys hear any background noise. The next thing I have here is by Akar, and this here is a Nutrient Boost Eye Serum. This is so tiny. So here is the eye serum, the tiniest little thing. I will say I love eye creams and stuff, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. The next thing I have in here, shut the up. You guys. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not going to open this because I actually own this. This is in the shade Trophy Wife, which is my favorite, favorite lip liner of all time. Of all the lip liners I own, and I own quite a few, hers are like #1, and then I would say MAC is #2 for me, and they're just amazing. They're such good formulas. If you guys are going to get it in your bag, I'm so excited for those of you guys that are going to get it. I hope everybody gets it, honestly, because this is freaking awesome. Like, I did not expect a brand like this. I'm not trying to like throw shade or anything, but when it comes to Huda Beauty, I wouldn't have expected like Ipsy to have Huda Beauty. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to be mean about it. It's just like, that's a huge brand. So that's awesome. I'm so excited about this. This is by far the best bag I've ever had. And the very last thing I have in here is by Trustique, and we've received so many of these before in our bags. I get these all the time. Another brand I really do like, and this one here is a mini matte blur stick. Whoa. I definitely expected this to be a shadow crayon because that's normally what I get in my bag, but it's supposed to blur, which I definitely want to try, and a shiny eraser. Let's see if we can. Okay. Well, that's awesome. That's really cool, you guys. All right. So that there is bag #1. So let's move into bag #2. This one is the one that I mentioned is a lot heavier than bag #1. So let's start off with the very first thing. Again, the same shadow from Nomad. This is La Habana in, is this Cohiba? Yeah. Then I also got this nail polish. Now, I personally do not like nail polishes, but I did the profile based off my daughter, and she loves nail polishes, so I'm excited to actually get one to give to her. This here is in the shade Namaste by the Pool, which is this really pretty bright blue. It's not super bright, but it's a really pretty blue. So the next thing I have in here is by Aphrodite. I hope I said that right, or is it Aphrodite? I want to say it's like that, right? I don't remember. This here is the olive oil face scrub for all skin types, and this is a gentle exfoliator. And then the last thing I see in here, which I'm kind of sad, I really wanted another Huda Beauty lip liner, is by Orisa Beauty, and this is a Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. It is formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. Oh, okay. Okay, so that there is what I got in my bags, and I will say my bag #1 was by far the best bag I've ever seen. So I'm very excited about that, and I want to know what you guys got in your bag this month. Let me know if it was a great bag or a terrible bag. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to subscribe to Ipsy or you guys want to know more about it, you guys know the drill. I always put all of that good stuff down below, as well as my unboxing for BoxyCharm if you guys are wanting to check that out. It was a really good month, so make sure to head over and check it out also. And make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. That way you guys can be a part of my family, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you guys do. That will notify you when I do more unboxings, which I do quite a few unboxings here on my channel, so make sure you come back for that. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.